All right, we got, this is, oh, cool. This is 5.3, right? Yeah. All right, so 5.3, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, right? And this is our given. So we know right away, 1 given. Okay? So how can we get GL? So we'll look over here. The GL is this, right? We know this is a centroid. Okay? Do you remember our talks about a centroid is that if you have these two pieces and the one piece, right? So 2 blacks, 1 red, right? So if this is 8, then this has to be how much? It's half of 8?
4.
There you go. I don't care what they say. You guys are bright.
Who's saying?
Okay? I don't know. All right, so PL is 4, right? So PL is 4. So let's do PL first. Because I mean, if we said that, because we kind of have to know PL before we can do GL, right? So we'll go, part 2 is basically, because of it's a centroid, right? That PL is equal to 1/2 of GP. And that's because it's a centroid. But instead of saying because, we're going to say, what do we say? Come on, guys. What do we say? Instead of because.
Then.
Definition. Definition. Of a centroid. Okay? So the centroid says that it gets split up into 3 pieces. If this is cut in half and it goes to the vertex, then this piece, this is twice as large as this piece. That's what a centroid says. Okay? So that's easy. So then we can just plug in, right? Can't we just say GP is 8? Right? So PL, is equal to 1/2 of 8. Right? And what's that called when you plug something in?
Substitution.
Yeah. Okay. So then what's it called when you just do the math? Huh?
Simplify.
Simplify. So 4 PL would be equal to 4, right? And that is simplify. Okay, and this is problem number 23. So we just put a mark there and say that's how we got 23. So that, 22. My bad. 22. So PL is 4. So that's our answer for 22. And then we go to find GL, because GL is what? What is GL? This goes back to chapter 1. Okay? And check this out. GL is equal to LP plus GP, right?
No, it won't be.
GP plus PL. Right? GL is equal to, see it? See the GL? GL, P, boom. What's that called when you add 2 segments together and they equal another segment? Segment addition postulate. You remember that from first chapter? Right? Woo! We're on a roll. Okay. So then, what's GP?
12. Oh, 8.
8. What's PL?
4.
And so GL is equal to 8 plus 4. That's 6. So part 6 is, that's substitution, isn't it? When you plug something in. And then what's it called when we just do the math?
Simplify.
Simplify. So it's 12, right? Oops, sorry. Simplify. Okay? And then that's problem number 21. So that's 12. Are you getting this down? 'Cause this is a lot of work. I would be copying it
I
in here.
told you I don't have anything.
What?
They're on my backpack.
Damn. I got paper right back there. Look at that! We're good! Got everything! Everything you need.
Can you
Right.
not?
Want me to keep going? Alright. 23, HL. How do I get HL? Think.
It's 5 because it's
That's right. It's 5. Why?
because of the lines.
Yeah, because they're congruent, right? Definition of congruence.
I couldn't figure out the word.
That's cool. That's okay. So 8 HL is congruent to LJ, right?
Yep.
JL, since that's the way we wrote it up here. JL, right? So definition of congruency, because they're congruent, right? Because they're equal, because they're congruent, definition is because, right? And then we substitute, right? JL is up here for 5, so we just substitute it in. 5. HL is 5. Substitution. And that's 23, right? So that's 5. So what's GJ? What's GJ? GJ is what? GJ. That's this guy down here, right? Now this one's a little harder. Now we found GL, right? GL is 12, right? In fact, I got confused earlier, so I'm going to put it on the inside. So this side is 12, and this side is 5. Okay? So I'm going to rewrite that so that we can see it. Okay? As 12 and 5. Okay? How do we find this side?
What would it be?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. What's that called? Pythagorean theorem.
Oh, because I told you to get that.
Yeah, we should
I
know that.
totally knew that.
We knew that one, right?
Yep. A
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. You guys remember that, right? And then we're going to plug in stuff, right? So we're going to go 11 is A, which is 5 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. And if we do that, then we got 5 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared, right? So then what's 5 squared? What's 12 squared? Right? And what's 144 plus 25? Come on. Come on. 169, my favorite number.
On
Right?
Saturday night.
On Saturday nights. Because when you square root it, it's a perfect square. What is it?
Square root of what?
The reason I like 169 is because when you look at 169 and then you look at 196,